Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the new results of the hydrotherapy treatment of the osteoarthritis on my right ring finger. More particularly, I will show you the progress in comparison with the previous results, those viewed in the second video. Before I proceed, there is something I'd like to emphasize. The result we see here, and which is a huge progress compared to our departure picture, is due exclusively to oat straw poultices. Indeed, as you can see, the middle finger has not changed. If this would have been the result of a special diet, it should have been visible also on the middle finger, which is not the case. Okay, we immediately move on to the details. Let's now take a look at the right ring finger. In the second video, we have seen that the finger had become narrower on the sides. It seemed obvious, and I had not really shown a picture of the mass located on the side. I've been rummaging in all the pictures, and I found one that shows the magnitude of the bump on the left side. As you can see, it is quite big. I focused on the left side because it is from the beginning the most tenacious. That's why I shall devote all attention to it now. If we compare this picture with some more recent ones, we realize the progress made. In this picture, the cushion on the side has diminished a lot, but there remains volume above. In this picture, as you can see, the volume above decreased too, and while in the previous videos it all flattened from back to front, it now flattens from front to back. In this picture again the same trend, and we also see that this line, to which I drawn attention in the previous video, is actually skin that has become superfluous. In this picture, which is even more recent, we see that the swelling on the side has left, and above everything is more equal. Idem here and here. In the first part, we had the evolution viewed in profile. We now take a look at the finger from above. I return for a moment to the picture of the second video. At the same time as this picture, I took a picture of the finger in another position. If we compare this picture with a recent photo of the finger in the same position, we get an idea of what has gone above. What do we see? We see here a thick line. Here a thick line, and another thick line over here that goes, making a cushion that goes all around. In the more recent picture, we have the same thick line and the other thick line here and here. So in the new picture, we have a round here, while in the old we have still a square. What I did is I put all the weight of the poultices on the left side, and it bears fruit. It is reflected in the result. While the two sides here are more or less the same level, here the left side is now a little flatter. In the second video I also showed this picture. I did so to insist particularly onto the diagonal fold, which I qualified as a progress. We are now going to look at some pictures and compare them to this one. This way we will see that the progress we have just seen in profile and from above are also clearly visible from the front. Okay, here we go. This picture shows the finger here even narrower and also flattened from front to back. The stare that is visible here is attenuated here. In the middle, a vein becomes visible. The right bump declined. The left bump is still bigger. We also see the distance from the top left to the diagonal is much longer in the new picture than in this older. This picture gives a front view of the situation. Here, front and back are more equal. Idem here. The top left area flattens. Here we see several diagonal folds. We know what it means. Always the same trend. And the finger has already a quite normal shape. These are the results after the third month of fairly intensive treatment. I would say it heals slowly but surely. That's why I decided to put this video already online. It will give an idea of what can be expected for each month of treatment. I will in any case start a fourth month. Depending on the speed of progress, I will work more or less intensively. In fact, I hope to start another finger. To give an idea of the speed, I will now compare these two pictures. This one dates from August 18, that is the beginning of the resumption of treatment, and this one dates from September 19. We see that everything that has been said is confirmed again. The left bump here, predominant, is as cut here. The horizontal line goes down here, while it goes up onto the bump here. We can clearly see that the cushion is gone. Here the contours are more inside. Here one goes from bottom to top right by a staircase, while in the new pic you can follow a diagonal line. So we see the osteoarthritis shrinks and heals from the outside inwards. So I will put all the weight of the poultices on the center. I'm now going to show 2 more pictures as it can be useful for the next video. This one and this one. We see that there is not much anymore to remove, and I hope I'll succeed. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them down in the comments section. I'll try to answer them in the next video. Till soon, and thanks for watching.